In the PowerPack for Plant 3D 2026.1, the Quick Select now has its own icon on the Line Manager palette. This makes creating sheets for controlling your isometrics even faster. We've also updated the sheet number configuration to show the dimensions based on your project units.
Another exciting part of the 2026 release is the Set Properties Current commands. These tools are in the Home tab of the 3D Piping workspace. You can see in my ribbon, I currently have no line number assigned. My size is set to 3 inches, and my spec is set to placeholder imperial. Let's use the Set All button to start connecting to a pipe rack. Now, if I'm going to connect to this pipe from a pipe rack, generally I'll need to set those properties current, and I might hover over it and see what my size and spec are. But with 2026, I can click the Set All button and then pick on the pipe that I want to have the size, spec, or line number set currently. Now in our drop-downs, you can see the correct values. If you want to set only the size, spec, or line number, you can do that individually without setting the rest of the properties.
Our previous spec map application had a straight list of parts, and we added grouping for part category so it looks more like the spec editor that you're used to using. Our module manager was introduced in 24.3 as a way to bring in content from other projects so you can use the content in a new project. We've done a big upgrade for 3D models by giving you the ability to set a global offset. With our global offset, you can change rotation and position in X, Y, and Z, and the dimensions are shown in project units. You still have the ability to override and set an offset value for specific models. We've also done some work to streamline how you save and load states. Let's take a quick look to see how this works. In the tag portion, let's do a quick replace on our exchanger tags to change the E out for an EX, and we'll save this state. Then, in a new session of the Module Manager, we'll bring in the same tag changes so we can reapply them as we bring the content in fresh. It remembers our model offsets and any tag changes we've made. All this is available in the PowerPack Plant 3D. Download through trials or online through the Graytech Advantage portal. Thank you.